why the holidays mean community and giving. From my family to yours, Christmas Shubang Kong Shalu.
Happy holidays from Brampton. In Japan, where I'm from, we celebrate New Year's, Oshogatsu, with lots and lots of food with family. Wishing you welcome a wonderful New Year's. Yoi watashi wo.
When I was growing up, we used to go on what we would call King's Day, and we would go visiting, and in that visiting we would exchange fruit. I haven't done that for a long time, but this past weekend I was made a grandma. My first grandbaby is here, so I'm going to show Oakley how to do that this year.
In Ghana, we say Mimo Afishapa and Afikombeti. Back home, we all sit down as a family and we eat dinner, and then we pray.
Happy holidays, everyone. In the Hudson House, we love to decorate our Christmas tree.
And every year we take our holiday photo. This one is still my favorite.
For us, the holidays is about being together. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy holidays. Feliz Navidad!
Our Christmas tradition is that we always, every year, the whole family gets together and decorates the tree. And it's still going. At this point, they are 21 and 26 respectively. Everybody still enjoys this tradition in Hungarian, which goes Kellemes karácsony ünnepeket.
Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. Where I'm from, they say Barkada Christmatzi.
Wishing you a very happy holiday from the Timmins campus.
Eku odun, eku yedun, emia shokboyo.
Happy holidays and Mina Nibanaman from everyone at SASA.
I would like to give you a warm wishes for your upcoming holidays. Be safe, take care, lots of fun and good food.
Mino nababanang, minoa, mino nimko kading.
In Yoruba language, we say Eku odun, eku iyedun, which means happy holidays. May the new year bring you blessings and your heart desires.
During the holiday season, I love coming out to Hiawatha and skiing with my dogs or snowshoeing. I love tobogganing at my mom's farm with the little ones, and of course, lots and lots of food. Enjoy your holiday traditions, everyone, and we'll see you in January.